Welcome to WhatsApp for Business. What are the premium benefits you are going to get? Use WhatsApp for business lead generation. You are going to use WhatsApp for business lead generation. You are going to get unlimited possibilities because of using simple WhatsApp. You can use WhatsApp for effective and efficient communication. Simplest tool for getting better results. This is going to help you with automatic lead generation system. And no mobile number and the requirements also. You are going to increase the sales and revenue using WhatsApp for business. You're going to save a lot of time and money. So you might be thinking, friends, for whom this is going to be very useful. This is going to be useful very much for entrepreneurs, thereafter the teachers, trainers, consultants, or even the small and medium business owners. So you are going to, because of this training, you are going to use WhatsApp for business effectively for better communication. You are going to filter and group messages with different labels and different colors. You can reply privately with common messages, okay, and then showcase all your products on WhatsApp, something like as catalog. So these are all you are going to do without spending huge investment in website, technical skills, or emails, or making a big investment. And there is no need to study a lot. So the action for you, friends, is join the group. I'm going to share the different groups, maybe WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook in the description below. And also, next action for you is visit website for all the latest information. You are going to get all the information on the website. Refer the link for special offer. This is exclusively for this kind of courses. The special offer link and investment is specified in the group description. You are also going to get to know the training schedule, what exactly going to happen in different sessions. So in session 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover why WhatsApp for business is a win-win model for growing your business digitally. Do you know why it is so? I'm going to share that. How to install WhatsApp business without losing your data. How to design creative profile with your business details. How to send automated message for people who are going to message you first time after 14 days. If anyone is going to do, so you are going to send automatic message, away message for the people who are going to communicate you after your office timings. How to send WhatsApp without saving the other's number. So these are all things you are going to learn in session number 1. In session 2, you are going to implement whatever the learnings you have done in session number 1. So you are going to watch the recordings of the session 1. I'm going to share you the login to the LMS. LMS is nothing but learning management system, wherein you are going to access complete course at one place. You are going to take action to get quick results. If you have any questions, then you can ask by visiting this link, that is ourarea.in/QA. So in session 3, what I'm going to cover? In session 3, I'm going to help you how you are going to learn WhatsApp secrets for better communication. There are more than 35 secrets I'm going to share with you. How to send messages instantly without typing, that is by using quick reply system. Then how to group messages according to different category. How to group the messages. How to create catalog for your product or services. In session number 4 is again going to be the implementation of earlier sessions, whatever you have learned, and you are going to watch all the recordings for quick learning. You're going to ask again the same questions. If you have any still the doubts, I'm going to clear in the session, and you are going to take action for getting the results. And in the session number 5, this is the last session, you are going to get the benefit maximum. Here you are going to know WhatsApp for Business Mastery course for smart business. Along with this, I'm going to share the information about the how to send bulk messages to many people at a time by using desktop software, that is WhatsApp desktop software. I'm going to help you the advanced system of WhatsApp, that is smart reply system. I'm going to help you with the future of automation, that is smart automation system. For you, once again, let me revise the action plan. Join the group. I'm specifying the link here, and if you want to know more details, please visit the website. The link is given in the description, and then refer all the link for special offer and investment. I'm going to share the training specific date and time. Do follow all these things. Thank you very much.